kids, welcome back. Have you done your homework? Yes? Very good students. So students, today onwards we are going to learn how to write question and answers. Okay? So take your pencil, eraser and your notebook. Okay? So in this corner we'll write today's date. Today's date is 3 dash month 10 and dash 2020 year. Okay, done this one. Upside what you have to write? CW. CW means classwork. This is your classwork. So we start writing. So here your notebook is having red line. So here you have to write question 1. Okay. After this, touch this line and start writing. So first letter I am writing here capital. This is W. Rest all will write in cursive. WHERE. Where. Okay. Done. After this, what we have to write? What we have to do? Keep one finger. So we can keep proper distance between two words. So keep one finger and here write D-O do. D-O do. Done. Again we have to keep one finger and write next word W-E-V. Done. Next keep one finger and write T-A-K-E. Take. Where do we take? Then again keep one finger and write B-A-T-H. Bath. Done. Question mark. Understood how to write? When we are writing between two words, we have to keep proper distance. So for that what we have to do? We have to keep one finger in between. Okay. So again we'll read the question. Where do we take bath? Now tell me the answer. Very easy. Where do we take bath? In which room? Bath in which room? Yes, very good. Bathroom. So we have to write answer. For the answer, make one arrow. We are going to write answer. Okay. So what is the answer? Bathroom. So here I am writing in small cursive letters because we didn't learn the capital cursive. So start bathroom. What is the spelling of bathroom? B-A-T-H. This is B-A-T-H. Bath. And R-O-O-M. Room. So what is the answer? Bathroom. And how you are going to learn? Bathroom spelling B-A-T-H. Bath. R-O-O-M. Room. Bathroom. Understood? Done everyone? Okay. So we'll go to question number 2. So leave one line. What you have to write? What you have to do? Leave one line. You have to leave the line. एक line छोड़नी है. Leave one line. Write question number 2. Okay. Done. Very nice. So here we have to write the question number 2. Again first letter capital, then in cursive W-H-E-R-E. Where. Done. Keep one finger. Write D-O do. Done. Again, keep one finger. Write W-E-V. Done. Again, keep one finger and write S-L-E-E-P. S-L-E-E-P. What is that? Sleep. Okay. Put one question mark here. Done. So, read one more time. W-H-E-R-E, where. D-O, do. W-E-V, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Where do we sleep? Come on, tell me. Where do we sleep? Yes, very good. Bedroom. So, we sleep on bed. And room spelling. What is the spelling of bed? Come on, tell me. Make one. What is the spelling of bed? Come on, tell me. Make one arrow for the answer. Done? Correct. Now tell me the spelling of bed. B-E-D, bed. And what is the spelling of room? R-O-O-M. Bedroom. Done? Okay. Now we'll go to question number 3. Leave one line. Write question number 3. Where? Then keep one finger. D-O-E-S. Does. Where does? Then keep one finger. Write Y-O-U-R. Your. Then keep one finger and write M-M-O-M. Mom. Done. Keep one finger. Write C-O-O-K-S. Cooks. And keep one finger and write F-O-O-D. Food. Make a question mark. Read question with me. W-H-E-R-E, where. D-O-E-S, does. Y-O-U-R, your. M-O-M, mom. C-O-O-K-S, cooks. F-O-O-D, food. Where does your mom cooks food? Come on. Yes. Kitchen. So, make one arrow for answer. See, all these things you have to write here. Red line is there, na? There. Okay? Don't forget. And what is the answer? Where does your mom cooks food? Kitchen. What is the spelling of kitchen? K-I-T-C-H-E-N. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Got this one? Done, everyone? Now, leave one line. Write question number 4. Done? Okay. Now, we'll go to question number 4. Start with capital letter, first letter, capital letter, W-H-E-R-E. Where? Then keep one finger and write D-O, do. Where? Do. Then again keep one finger and write W-E-V. V. Then keep one finger and write W-E-L-C-O-M-E. Welcome. W-E-L-C-O-M-E. Welcome. Then keep one finger and write O-U-R. Our. And keep one finger and write Guests. Guest. Put one question mark here. Done, everyone? Now read the question. WHERE, where. DO2, WEV, WELCOME, welcome. OUR, our. GUESTS, guest. Now tell me the answer. Where do we welcome our guests when guests are coming inside? In which room we are welcoming them? Yes, make one arrow for the answer. That is living room. Done this arrow and write the answer. LIVING. 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 ROOM. Room. Living room. Understood? So, like this we have to write the question answer. When we are writing the sentence, after each word, keep one finger. So, you will get the proper distance. Understood? Okay. Now, I will give you one homework. See, down here you have to write CW is HW. Now, CW is HW means what? What is the classwork? Is homework. Same homework you have to do in your notebook. See, here we write date 3. So, next day itself you have to complete your homework. Write next day's date and complete this homework. Understand?